Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the new HyperOS 3 control center on Redmi 17. First of all, let's swipe down the control center from the top of our screen. Now, if you want to enable any feature here, simply tap on the respective icon of it. And if you want to open the respective settings menu, you have to hold your finger down on this icon. If you want to rearrange your icons, you have to go to the second page and tap Edit. Now here, you can rearrange all the circles however you like by holding your finger down on any of them and moving it to the position where you'd like it to be. If you want to remove some of the existing icons, you simply have to grab this icon and drag it down the list. So all the features that appear beneath this invisible line aren't added to our control center, and we can add them by simply moving them up right here. Then tap Done to apply changes, and that's basically it. Besides, as you can see, we also have notifications below, and we have the brightness adjusting slider. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.